Good morning, students. Today's video is from your reader book. So everybody open page number 5. In this video, I am going to read and explain you your lesson number 1, Oliver Finds a Home. This is an extract. Extract means a part taken from the novel Oliver Twist. Oliver, an orphan. Who is an orphan? A child whose parents are dead. Runs away from the orphanage. Orphanage is a place where children whose parents are dead are kept. Where he is ill-treated. Ill-treated means treated badly and lands in a den of thieves. Means he runs away from the orphanage and reaches a den of thieves, a house where thieves used to live. The thieves take Oliver to rob a house but are stopped by the servants. Means Oliver was taken away to a house to rob by the thieves, but what happened there? The servants stopped them. They ran away. Who ran away? The thieves ran away, leaving a wounded Oliver. Wounded means injured Oliver behind. The servants take him into the house. Read on to find what happens to Oliver. Now in this story, we are going to read about or find out what happens to Oliver after the thieves left the home. Mrs. Marley and Rose were waiting anxiously for the doctor to arrive. Now, anxiously, eagerly waiting for the doctor to arrive. Why they wanted the doctor? They wanted the doctor for the wounded child. I heard the carriage pulling up. That must be Dr. Losberne. Means she said, she could hear the carriage stopping outside the house. Oh, please, will you come upstairs and look at the poor thing? Look at the poor child? Certainly. Perhaps Giles can lead me to the room where he is resting. Means the person naming Giles can take the doctor to the room where the child was taking rest. The doctor stayed in the patient's room for a long time and asked a few things. Bring some warm water and more clean sheets. The doctor asked Giles to get few things there like warm water and some clean sheets. At last, the doctor returned to the dining room to speak to the ladies. Speak about Oliver. I hope he is not in danger. No, Mr. Marley, there is a spelling mistake. It is Marley. He will be well again in a week or two. Have you seen the thief? The doctor asks them whether they have seen the thief. The ladies had not seen the thief yet. When they entered the room, they stared in surprise. That means they were surprised to see a young child as a thief. Why? He is a mere child, a small child, just a child. This poor child cannot be a thief. Oh, the poor thing. Auntie, don't let them send the boy to prison. The girl was very upset to see that small child and wanted Auntie not to let him sent to the prison. Let us discuss this in the next room. We must not wake him up. Doctor says, let us be quiet. Let us not wake him up by talking or disturbing him. Let's move to the next room and we'll discuss what to do with this boy. All the three of them discussed the matter in whispers. Whispers means in low voice. Spoke very quietly. We should listen to what he has to say. Means before coming to some decision, let us listen to him what he wants to say. If he is innocent, means if he has not done anything wrong, then we can help him. We will save him. If he is guilty, means if he is responsible of the robbery, he should be handed over to the police. Then we will give him to the police. Yes, I agree, but I am certain that he is blameless. Means Marley said she could understand and she agreed that whatever decision has been taken, it is correct. But she was certain that he is blameless, that he has not done anything wrong. In the evening, when Oliver woke up, he was tired. But he was also keen to tell his story. He was very interested to tell his story to the householders, the ladies. He told a whole story, and then the thieves wanted me to do all kinds of wrong things. They wanted me to rob your house, and then they left me wounded here. They left me injured here. The boy Oliver told everything to the ladies. The ladies were moved by, means emotionally touched, that by the story of Oliver's unhappy life. They were very moved by, they were very touched by the story of Oliver's unhappy life. We must not let the police take him away. We will not let him go to the police. I will not harm one hair of his head, means I will not let him hurt. Not even a small physical injury will be done to this boy. We must prepare the servants for when the police arrive. Means we must prepare the servants, that we should tell him what to say and what not to say in front of the police. Soon the police arrived to inquire about the robbery, to ask about the robbery. The robbers were two evil-looking men, two bad-looking men. The servants are telling the police, I hope you will find those men and punish them. Little Oliver wounded himself earlier while playing, and about little Oliver they said he was already wounded before this robbery because he was playing. That time he got injured. The police believed the servants and left Oliver in peace. Means they didn't do anything to Oliver and let him stay there peacefully. Mrs. Marley and Rose took wonderful care of Oliver. Means took very good care of Oliver. Have another bite of the pie, dear. Means the Oliver was enjoying everything there, and Marley was offering him everything. Every morning Oliver went to an old gentleman who taught him how to read and write. As Oliver started living with them, he was sent to an old gentleman to read and write, to study there. Today we will read from page 14 onwards. And each night Oliver slept peacefully in a clean bed. Means after having an unhappy life of an orphan and staying in an orphanage, and then coming to the robbers, and then coming to this house, this time after a very long time he slept peacefully in a clean bed in his own room. Means he got a room for himself. This is how 3 months passed away. Means for 3 months he was staying there. They were months of perfect happiness. Means those 3 months were perfectly happy for Oliver Twist. Students, read the lesson to increase your vocabulary and improve your reading. That's all in this video. I will do the exercise in the next video.